I just built an AI agent that talks to customers on WhatsApp. Like, it reads your message and replies instantly, just like a real human. Look at this. When someone sends a message, the AI agent reads it, understands it, and then gives an instant reply. It can answer customers' questions, qualify leads, and even book meetings, all by itself. No humans, no delays. Just 24/7 smart replies. I have built this with n8n. Now just imagine this AI agent replies to all your customers 24/7 while you sleep. Many big companies are already using this, but I've made it simple, low cost, and easy for anyone to use. No coding, no technical headache, just pure automation. So this is just a basic WhatsApp chatbot. It will answer all the basic question about my AI automation agency. Okay, so let us check how it works. We'll open WhatsApp first. So this is the WhatsApp, this is the number. So we'll type here hi, and let's see how it replies. Hi there, how can I assist you today? Can you tell me about your services? Yep, we build AI chatbots, WhatsApp automations, AI call assistants, and custom AI workflows to help you automate with your business. Anything specific you want to streamline? Yes, but before that, can you tell me about your pricing? Let me check the response. Of course, we do a one-time setup fee plus optional monthly maintenance depending on your needs. No surprises or long-term contracts. Want to book a quick chat to get exact pricing? Yes, sure. Now it provides me the link where I can click and book a call. Okay, so this is just a basic chatbot you can build for your business. It will answer all the basic questions. Okay, so now we'll be building this entire workflow from scratch. For this, you will have to have n8n account. If you don't have n8n account, just go to Google, search n8n, click enter, and this is the link. Okay, just click on this link and you will have to sign up if you don't have any account. So first we'll be adding a WhatsApp business cloud node. Okay, so for this we'll select this and search for WhatsApp business cloud. Okay, just select this option, and from here in the drop down you can select on message. Okay, so now click on back. So after we receive a message from WhatsApp, we'll feed that information to an AI agent. So for this reason, we'll be selecting AI agent node here. Okay, so for this, click on plus, search for AI agent, select this. Okay, so now you can click on back, and for this AI agent to think, we'll add a brain, which is the chat model. So we'll click on plus and we'll select OpenAI chat model. Okay, so by default it is selected GPT 4.1 mini, so you can select it as per your requirement. And please note that you will have to connect your OpenAI account with n8n. So if you need any help with it, you can let me know. So now click on back. So next we'll also be adding a memory so that it remembers the past conversations. Okay, so for this we'll click on plus and we'll click simple memory here. Okay, and now in the context window land, I'll select, let's say 10. It means it will remember the past 10 messages. Okay, so now I'll click on back. So now for the customer to get a reply on WhatsApp, we'll also be adding another node. This will also be of WhatsApp, but this time it will send a reply. Okay, so for this we'll click this. We'll again search for WhatsApp business cloud, select this, and in the drop down this time we'll select send a message. Okay, so now I'll click on back. So now we have added all the nodes that was required for this workflow. Okay, so now our goal is to connect. So to connect this, first we'll click this WhatsApp trigger node. So we'll select this. So if I open this, you can see that credential to connect with, it is already WhatsApp OAuth account 7. It means I have already connected it for my existing workflow. Okay, but for this video I'll be doing everything from scratch. Okay, so for this I'll click here. I'll click on create new credential. Okay, I'll select this. Now I have to enter client ID and client secret. So for this information, we'll have to go to Facebook to fetch these details. Okay, so for this, just open a Google and we'll search for business Facebook. Okay, and now we'll be clicking the first link. Okay, so it is business.facebook.com. I'll click on the first link. So after clicking here, this is the page that we will see. So now I have already got a business account in Facebook. So if you don't have any business account, you have to create your own account. Okay, so for that you will have to sign up. So since I've already got an account, this is the page that I'll be seeing. So now from the left hand side, I'll click on settings. So after clicking on settings, this is the page that I will see. Now from here, I'll be selecting apps on the left hand side. I'll click on apps, and then this is the page that I will see. Okay, so now I'll click on plus add sign. So I'll click here and I'll have to create a new app ID. So I'll click here, and now the developer console will open. So this is what I will see. So now I have to put an app name here. Okay, so I'll type, let's say n8n5. okay, so now this is the email ID, and now I'll click on next. Now for use case, I'll select others, and I'll select this one, and I'll click on next. Okay, now this is what I will see. I'll select business from here, and then I'll click on next. And this is the app name. This is my email ID. This is the business account that I have selected. Now I'll click on create app. Now I'll have to enter the password of my Facebook account, and then I'll click on submit. So after clicking on submit, this is what we will see. So since we are connecting WhatsApp with n8n, so we will select WhatsApp from here. Okay, so I'll click on setup here. So now this is what you will see. Now you will have to come to app settings, and then you will have to click in basic. Okay, I'll click on basic here. So now this is the app ID. We'll have to copy this. So to copy this, we'll simply click here. This is copied now. We'll come here, and in the client ID section, we'll paste it here. Okay, so now we need the client secret. So for client secret, we'll again come here. So this is the client secret. We'll click on show, and then we'll copy this. We'll come here, we'll paste this, and now we'll click on save. Okay, we can see connection tested successfully. Okay, we'll click on back. We'll click on back to canvas. Okay, now this is connected. Okay, so now we'll have to connect this similarly. So we'll open this. Now by default, WhatsApp account 9 is connected. Okay, for my existing workflow. So now I'll be doing everything from scratch. Okay, so for this, I'll click here. I'll select create new credential. So this is what you will see. We need access token, and we need a business account ID. Okay, so we'll get all this information from Facebook itself. So we'll come here again for access token ID. So on the left hand side, we'll see this option of WhatsApp. We'll see a drop down icon. We'll click here, and then we can see API setup. Okay, we'll click here on API setup. So after clicking on API setup, this is the page that you will see. Okay, so now we'll have to click on generate access token, but before that, you'll have to confirm the number here. Okay, so here it is from number. So from number is a test number which Facebook provides to us. Okay, but if you want to add a different number, if you have a business account, you'll click here, and you have to mention your business name and all the information that you have already. And if you don't have any business account, if you want to create everything from fresh, you can follow the same process. Okay, you can click on next, and it will take maybe 1 to 2 days time to get this activated, and then only you can proceed further. But for this video's case, I'll be using the test number which is provided by Facebook. Okay, so I'll close this. So this is the test number which Facebook has already provided. Okay, so now here in the to section, I'll be selecting the recipient phone number. Okay, so here I'll be entering my own phone number. So since I've already uploaded my number here, so I'll just select this from here, and then I'll come up and I'll click on generate access token here. So now this is what I will see. I'll click on continue as Dheeraj S. And now I'll select this first option, opt in to all current and future WhatsApp account. I'll select this option. I'll click on continue. Okay, and then I'll click on save. And now I can see Dheeraj S has been connected to n8n5. Okay, so now got it. And now this is the access token. I'll click on copy here to copy this, and we'll come here and we'll paste it here in access token section. Okay, now we'll also require the business account ID. So for this, we'll come here again, and this is the business account ID. We'll click here to copy this. We'll come here and we'll paste it here. Okay, now we'll click on save. Okay, now we can see connection tested successfully. We'll close this now. Okay, so this part is done. Now here, sender phone number. So sender phone number, Facebook has already given us. This is the number. We'll select it from here. And then for recipient phone number, I'll be entering my own phone number here. Okay, now the message type will be text, and the text body will be success. So we'll change this later on in our video. So for now, we'll be keeping it success. So we'll click on back. So now we have connected our n8n with our WhatsApp business. Okay, so now we'll try to test it and see how it goes. So for this, we'll have to open WhatsApp and we'll have to message from our own number. Okay, so let us find the test number. Come here. So this was the test number. We'll just copy this number. We'll open a new tab. We'll open whatsapp.me / and then we'll paste the number that we have copied. Okay, this is the test number. So we'll remove all the spaces in between, and then we'll click on enter. Okay, we'll cancel this and we'll click continue to WhatsApp web. And now our WhatsApp will open. and we can see our WhatsApp is open now. Okay, so we'll be typing a message here, but before that we'll be executing the workflow. Okay, so we'll come to our workflow here. So we'll click on execute workflow, and we'll come here, we'll type, let's say, hi. Okay, now we'll come back here again, and now we can see there are two errors here. Okay, so we got the first error in AI agent node, and then the second error in simple memory. So we'll try to fix this. Okay, so to fix this, we'll double click here. So from here we'll select define below, and we'll select expression, we'll make it big, and then from the left hand side we'll be dragging the body from here. Okay, so now click on back. Now click on back. So body means the message that I'll be typing, so that it gets the context what it has to do. So now in simple memory we'll double click, and then similarly here also we'll select define below, and then we'll select expression here, and then we'll open this. So I've already built a code using ChatGPT. You can also do the same. So I've pasted it here. So this means it will check for WhatsApp trigger node, and from there it will get all the information that was there in the message, and it will also get the phone number. Okay, so context 0 means it will get the first phone number that was there, because it has to remember the past 10 conversations from there. Okay, so this is what it means. So now click on back to canvas, and now we have fixed both the errors, and now I'll click on save here. Okay, so after clicking on save, I'll again execute the workflow here. Okay, so I'll execute the workflow, and now I'll come here again, and I'll type hello this time. Let me see what happens. Hello, and let me see what happens now. So this time we can see we have got a successful response from here. There was no error this time. Okay, so it has sent a reply here. So let me check what reply have we got. So just come here, and we have got a reply by the name success. Okay, so why success? Because here in the reply node, so we have mentioned success here. For this reason we are getting success, but we do not need success. We need the actual response that the AI agent is providing. So for this we'll delete this success, and we'll drag the output from here. Okay, so just select this and drag and drop it here. Okay, so we have got this. Now I'll click on back to canvas. I'll click on save again. Okay, so let me execute the workflow and see how it goes this time. I'll click here. Now let me type hi again, and let it execute. It has given a response. Let me check the response, and yes, we have got this response now. Hi there, how can I help you today? Okay, so this is the response that we have got this time. So this is just a generic chatbot. Okay, but we do not want this, because it will only reply as per what ChatGPT will do. Okay, we want to use this for a business use case. For example, let's say for my AI agency Slack AI, I'll be using it for that purpose. Okay, so now let us see how we can do that. So we'll open the workflow here. We'll open AI agent here, and now we'll have to feed a system prompt here. Okay, so here we'll be selecting system message, and now we'll select expression, we'll make it big, we'll click on close, we'll delete this. I've already made a prompt, I'll just paste it here. Okay, so this is the prompt. You can see, you are Sam, a friendly customer support representative for Slack AI, an AI automation agency that helps small and medium businesses automate their operations. Okay, so this is the knowledge base. What is Slack AI, who we work with, what makes Slack AI different from other AI automation agencies. So basically I have given it a basic FAQ, okay, so that it can respond accordingly. So now I'll click on back, and I'll click on back to canvas. I'll save this. Okay, now I'll make it active, and let me see how it works this time. Now this is active. Now let us see how it works. Okay, can you tell me about your services? Now let me check the response. Sure, we build AI chatbots, WhatsApp automations, and AI call agents that handle your business tasks on autopilot. What part of your business are you looking to automate? But before this, can you help me book a free consultation? So we'll correct this. We'll click on enter. And now let us check the response. We have got this response. Absolutely, here is the link to book your free consultation. Okay, it has given me the link. So all this information I've already put it in the system prompt. Okay, so if you open the system prompt, you can see I have given all